Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to exclude the audit trail document from the completion email in BoldSign. An audit trail document provides a transparent and traceable history of actions or interactions on the document, helping ensure the document's accountability, compliance, and security. In BoldSign, by default, the signed documents and audit trail are sent to recipients in the completion email once the signing process is finished. However, the sender can exclude the audit trail document from the completion email. Excluding the audit trail document keeps the email focused on the main content and can maintain the confidentiality of the people involved in the signing process. This feature is valuable in scenarios such as legal settings, where sensitive information about the document review and approval process must be kept confidential. Let's consider a scenario where an HR manager is responsible for onboarding new hires for a company. The HR manager needs to send employment contracts to new employees for review and signature. To ensure privacy, the HR manager decides to exclude the audit trail document from the completion email. This hides the comprehensive tracking of the employment contract signing process from the new employees. Let me demonstrate how the HR manager would do that. The first step is to access the BoldSign application page. Here I'll expand the settings menu. Then I choose the branding option to navigate to the Manage Brand page. I am going to use the already created Cube Flakes brand. I click the Context menu and select the Edit Brand option to access the Edit Brand page. Next, I navigate to the Advanced section and move to the Exclude Audit Trail from Completion email option. I activate it. I then click the Save Changes button. Whenever the HR manager uses this Cube Flakes brand, the audit trail document will be automatically excluded from the completion email sent to all the recipients involved once the signing process is completed. In our scenario, the HR manager needs to send the employment contract form to the newly hired employees for signature. To do this, I click the Create New button and select Create New Document. This takes me to the Prepare Document page, where I upload the employee contract form in the Add Files section. Next, I add the employee's details in the Add Recipient section. I scroll down to the document settings and select Cube Flakes as the brand. Once that's done, I click the Next button to guide me to the Configure Fields page. This is where I set up the form fields. I drag and drop the required form fields. Then I review my changes once and send the document out for signing. Now, let's switch to the signer's side, complete the signing process, and see how the audit trail document is excluded from the completion email. When I click the Review and Sign button in the Signature Request email, I am navigated to the signing page. The name, email address, and date fields are automatically populated. Here I need to review the contract details and add the signature. I click the Complete Signing button to complete the signing process. Upon completion of the signing process, the employees receive a completion email. The email includes only the signed document as an attachment, excluding the audit trail document. That summarizes how to exclude audit trail documents from completion emails in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.